okay? Take your time.
On the track.
There's no rush. Okay, well, let me go in front. We're good. Nice. Yeah, you're doing just fine. Okay, you're good. Watch this hotel. No, it's okay. Typically on these, when there's those little turnouts, I just try to stay like kind of in the middle of the lane. I mean to the left side of the lane, like close. Yeah, you go. You're good. Are you still on first? No. Yeah, you probably should have. That's okay. You don't necessarily have to. Okay. That's okay. You're good. Just take it slow. Don't worry about anybody else. You're good. Yeah, it does feel nice. Going faster. That's good. Be careful with what's going on over here. I'm fine. You watch what you're doing. Don't worry about me. There's gonna be people turning out to your right, so